Okay guys, this is Michael. Let's have a quick update together about gold. In the previous video I did mention that one, actually the price about 2820 is going to be the first resistance for gold. Why did I mention that one? Actually, if you use the Fibonacci retracement from this previous high we had to the bottom we had, actually this is the 161% of the Fibonacci retracement. Because of that, I did mention about this price, gold is going to have a local resistance, and I did mention that one, the trend line I have got in here in the previous times, it did work as a support and resistance for few time. In the previous video I did mention this resistance as well, and I told you this price is going to be the next resistance we have got for gold. Now gold is reaching to about this area, is continuing. Actually, first time reached to about this area, we had a rejection to the downside. Now this is the second time is reaching to about this area, 2820, but this is going to be like a bull flag continuation to the upside for gold. In my opinion, we have got another resistance about a 2860, because we have got this trend line in the previous time worked few times as a resistance for gold. Now this time is going to be the next resistance for gold. Maybe we are going to see the price of gold reach to about this area, and we are going to see another rejection to about this area. This white line I have got in here actually is the previous high, the all-time high we had in the past October for gold. As you can see, this is going to be the support for gold. If the price of gold rejects the downside, this yellow trend line is going to be the first support, and the next one is going to be this white trend line we have got in here. But we do have a resistance to the upside. My ultimate target actually is going to be around the 2930 for gold in the next few weeks and months. Because of this trend line I have got in here, as you can see, it worked for resistance and support for many times in the past few months, and this time it was the first resistance actually for gold as well, and rejection to the downside. Now this time when gold actually reached to about this area, I think it's going to be the very top for gold, because we have got the bearish divergence on the RSI. As you can see, if the price of gold actually reached to about this area, the price of gold made a higher high, but it looks like on the weekly time frame the RSI made a lower high. Actually, because of that, maybe we are going to see that's going to be the all-time high for gold, and after that we are going to see the rejection for gold to the downside. If you use the February pivot for gold, the pivot we have got many support. As you know, maybe we are going to see a big rejection for gold, because that one happened in the past. If gold reached to about this area, the first support we have got this trend line, and second one is really the horizontal line. But the third one, the main one, is going to be the February pivot for gold. As you can see, the price about $2,743 for gold is going to be the February pivot, and the resistance for February we have got is about this area. As you can see, $2,873 for gold actually is going to be the first resistance for February, and the second resistance is here, the price about $2,946 for gold. I told you this resistance is going to work as a resistance, this trend line, and we have got the second resistance about this area for February time. We have got the pivot about 2,743. The first resistance for February is going to be 2,874, and the second resistance, the main target, is going to be $2,945, as we can see on the chart for gold. That was all from me for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. See you guys in the next video.